We have 8 wonderful items that you can bid on. And I invite you to take a look at the screen right behind me. The auction will support the American Institute of Polish Culture and all the amazing work that they do, and that is the reason why we are all here tonight. So if I could please ask all of you to step a little closer.
Thank you very much for being here. I always enjoyed seeing this elegant group of people.
A very heartfelt welcome to Princess White Dove, Debbie Graciano, with her husband Rick Graciano.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it is a great pleasure and honor, of course, for me to be here with you and with my wife, Anna.
Welcome to the 52nd Annual Polonaise Ball, a tribute to Native Americans. These are our traditional lands, but this evening you are all our guests.
We will bless the salads that you've already eaten. Amen.
The American Institute of Polish Culture was established by Lady Blanka Rosenstiel in 1972.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please join me in a toast to Lady Blanka with gratitude and congratulations for many of her accomplishments.
Mr. Talbert Cypress is the chairman of the Mikosuke Business Council, and he is being recognized tonight for his unwavering dedication to fighting for the Mikosuke tribe. Debbie White Dove Graciano embodies grace, resilience, and a heartfelt commitment to honoring the legacy of Pocahontas, ensuring that her remarkable ancestry continues to inspire and illuminate future generations.
The indigenous people of the world are united. It doesn't matter whether they are Native Americans from Florida, Oklahoma, Virginia, or indigenous communities from Mexico, Peru, and beyond. Mr. Grzegorz Peszko is a globally renowned expert and leader in aligning economic and environmental policies for sustainable development. He is recognized for his impact on advancing prosperity while mitigating climate change, reducing pollution, and promoting circular economies across Africa, the Americas, Asia, and Europe. In recent years, he spearheaded international dialogue on climate strategies suitable for fossil fuel producing nations.
Thank you very much. And to the American Institute of Polish Culture, Lady Blanka. And it's a great honor for me to receive this recognition.
Please join me in welcoming Mr. Marek Probosz to the podium. Mr. Marek Probosz is an actor, director, a screenwriter, an author, a producer, and a university professor. The award is being presented for his achievements in film, theater, education, and contributions to promoting Polish and Native American history and culture.
Please join our sponsors, people who opened their hearts. We are extremely grateful for all you do for us, and we ask that you accept our great thanks. So please come to the stage and receive the flowers. And you represent the true Polish native connection with your children speaking Polish. Thank you very much. Bravo. And right now, I would like to ask the new generation, Heritage Polonia students and scholars. This is the future of Polonia and our future leaders.
We invite all of you to partake in another rendition of the Grand Polonaise to conclude the 52nd annual ball.